All right, let's bring in the better minds here on this. We've got Mark Geragos, of course, famed defense counsel, and we have Dave Aronberg, Florida State Attorney. I start with you, Guru Geragos. Why go after him now, but not put on some evidence of this to kind of bolster the idea of what you've been suggesting all along, which is, okay, we can't argue insanity, but she was clearly under the sway of a madman.
Well, I'll just make one observation. The jury's been out longer here than they were on Murdaugh.
True.
A considerably longer case. And by the way, you may have hit on a couple of things that I think there's more than one explanation here. One is that she did not want to go down that road, and there might have been issues that they were trying to navigate as defense counsel on a witness-by-witness basis. But they did get out things that they were allowed to argue today and tie it all together. And by the way, once you get to closing, you have great latitude in most jurisdictions, and obviously here. And what's she going to do? Stand up, scream, and say, stop, don't do it? That actually might have helped their cause. I think that based on some of the forensic evidence that was produced, they make pretty good arguments, and it shows that and argue this kind of what people have often called a Svengali defense. At least it's got a jury talking. You know, the real question will be, do they stay out past Friday at 3 o'clock? That's kind of always the bewitching hour on a long case when a jury's deliberating.
Good insight. Aronberg, do you think that this is about a division of opinion on the case in general, or do you think this is coming down to a specific charge, such as the murder of Chad Daybell's first wife?
Chris, I think the reason for the delay, and yeah, Mark is right, it's taken longer than the Murdaugh case, is about Tammy Daybell. I mean, look, I even have reasonable doubt about her complicity with the others in the murder of Tammy Daybell. And right. I'm a prosecutor, so I got to believe that's the problem. I think there is no doubt in my mind or the juror's mind about her going down for the deaths of JJ and Tylee. I think this is all about Tammy.
Hey, thank you for watching. Please go to newsnationnow.com, newsnationnow.com, and you can find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button down below. Then you will get more of News Nation's fact-driven coverage.